Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to change your Yahoo email display username. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on any web browser like Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or Chrome to log in your Yahoo account. And next step, so open lang natin ang ating Chrome browser. And dito lang sa searching address bar ay kailangan lang natin i-search yung Yahoo, and then kailangan lang natin itong mag-login. And dito lang sa right side mga kaibigan, makikita mo dito yung ating account. So enter lang natin yung password. So madadirect tayo dito sa Yahoo homepage, and then dito lang sa upper right side, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung Yahoo Inbox, and madirect tayo dito sa Yahoo Mail Inbox. Ang next step, so dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung icon settings. So i-click mo lang yan. Tapos scroll down at select mo lang dito yung more settings. So click lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa left side menu, at kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung mailbox. Ito siya. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa mailbox, and then dito lang sa right side ay scroll down, and then select mo lang dito yung change your account name and nickname on Yahoo. Okay? So ito yung kailangan mong i-click. Okay? So click lang natin yan. Alright, so ganito yung makikita mo na change your account name and prepared name in Yahoo. And then next step, so makikita mo dito yung go to the Yahoo personal info page. So kailangan mo lang i-click yan. Okay, so makikita mo na dito yung personal info. So pwede mo nang i-update yung profile photo mo, and then dito naman sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung update personal details. So click mo lang yan, and then ito na siya. Okay, so update personal details. So pwede mo nang baguhin yung account name or username natin dito. Alright, and then once na na-change mo na, and then i-click mo lang dito yung save updates. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to change your display username on Yahoo Mail. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.